Hello and welcome to our tutorial on video editing, how to earn money by video editing. Whether you're passionate about crafting stories for YouTube, enhancing business presentations, or capturing the essence of special events, video editing is a skill in high demand. So let's dive in and explore how you can turn your video editing skills into a lucrative side hustle. Video editing is all about selecting, arranging, and enhancing video clips to create a cohesive and engaging final product. It's not just about cutting and joining clips, it involves a keen eye for detail, creativity, and proficiency in video editing software. To get started, you'll need familiarity with video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. You should understand editing techniques such as cutting, transitions, color grading, and audio mixing. These skills will help you transform raw footage into a polished video. Once you've honed your skills, it's time to offer your video editing services. Build a portfolio showcasing your editing style and range of projects. Market your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or your personal website. This will help potential clients see your expertise and creativity. When you start working with clients, communication is key. Understand their vision and requirements for the video, and offer suggestions for creative elements or enhancements that can elevate the final product. The editing process begins with organizing and reviewing the footage to select the best clips. Then, edit the video to ensure a smooth flow, adding transitions, effects, and graphics as needed. Pay attention to audio quality, adding music or sound effects to complement the visuals. Once you've completed the editing, review the video with the client and make any necessary revisions. Export the video in the appropriate format and resolution for its intended platform or use. To grow your video editing business, continuously update your skills and stay informed about the latest trends in video editing. Network with content creators, businesses, and event planners to expand your client base. Video editing is a powerful tool for storytelling and communication, offering endless opportunities for creativity and impact. By honing your skills and providing professional editing services, you can help bring visions to life and create memorable visual experiences. Thank you for joining our guide to video editing. If you're ready to start your journey as a video editor, remember to stay creative, practice regularly, and keep exploring new techniques. For more tips on video editing and content creation, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.